Hi guys and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to bypass the Google account on Samsung Galaxy G3 2016. This is a phone with Android 5.1.1, so let's do it. So first thing that you must do is to power off your phone and hit power off. And you must put inside your phone an active SIM card. So this is my active SIM card. Now remove your back cover and I will remove my battery and I will put inside my phone this SIM card. Now put it back. And you must power on your phone. Now hit the yellow arrow, insert your PIN if you have one, mine is 40, and hit OK. And now you must be connected to your Wi-Fi network. I already did that and hit next. Hit again next, hit agree. And now we are back, but we have a SIM card in my phone. Now leave your phone and let's go to the computer. Now I'm back with my phone. You must download and install Realterm application and Samsung Android drivers on your computer. You will find the download links in the video description. After you do that, you must connect your phone to your computer with a micro USB data cable like this. And wait until the drivers are installed and then open Realterm application, and if everything is okay you must see here these three green lights. Then check half duplex, go to ports and be sure that this number is the same with the number from device manager modems, and then go to send. Now let's copy the first command, just hit copy, put it here and type Ctrl V and hit send. And now copy the second command, put it here and type Ctrl V, and let's try to put instead x66 1 2 3 4 and hit send. And now your phone is calling, wait until the call is end, and now hit messages, and you can disconnect the phone, and here type www.google.com and hit send. And now hit on this link and hit open link and hit OK. Open with Chrome, hit accept and continue, hit no thanks, and on the Google search bar just type Google account manager and hit search, and go to this link abcmyroad.com and scroll down, and you must install an older version. From here let's try this version 6.0.1, hit download. and hit download ABC. Your downloading is starting. And now type OK, downloading, and hit open. OK, farce error, no problem, you must download another version. Let's go back and let's try this version 5.1. Hit download. Scroll down and hit download APC. Wait a few seconds. Now hit OK, downloading, hit open, settings, unknown sources, OK, and hit install. And now application is installed, hit done and go back. And now on the Google search bar, just type quick shortcut maker solved and hit search. Now go to this first link where you see pangu.in and hit on this. Now scroll down and download Quick Shortcut Maker 2.4.0. Here the first. Scroll down and go to download page. And again scroll down and hit download. Hit OK. Downloading. And now hit open. Install Blocked, hit settings. Enable unknown sources, hit OK and hit install. Now hit open. Here just type Google Account Manager, hit done and go where you see type email and password. Okay. And now hit try, hit these 3 points, browser sign in, hit OK. And here you must enter your own Google account. If you don't have one, just hit create one. I already have and I will enter my Google account. Now signing in. And we are back. And now just hit the power button and hit restart. Hit again restart and wait a few seconds until your phone will restart. Now we are back. Just enter your PIN. Hit OK. Now hit the yellow arrow, hit next, and again next, hit agree. Now your account has been added, just hit next. Hit skip here again hit skip and hit finish. And now you have access to your phone menu. Now just go to apps and hit settings, scroll down, hit about device and hit software info. And here is my Android version 5.1.1 and my Android security patch level from January 2017. Okay, and all you must do is to go to backup and reset and hit factory data reset and hit erase everything. Now wait until your phone will restart. So, this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you and have a nice day.